Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Link Layer Discovery Protocol, or LLDP, tutorial video. My name is Nico, and today we will be looking at LLDP, its uses within a network, and how to enable LLDP on your Flex 2410G or Clear 2410G managed switches. For starters, what is LLDP? LLDP is a vendor-neutral link layer protocol used by devices for advertising their identity within a network, their capabilities within a network, and their neighbors on a network. LLDP-enabled devices will send LLDP data units to their neighbor, which will then store it in a database. Using LLDP commands will send queries to neighboring devices, which will allow the user to gain more information on the devices within their network. It should be noted that LLDP must be running on all directly connected neighbors for an exchange of information to take place. The following information can be shared between LLDP neighbors: system identity and description, device capabilities, system MAC address and management IP address, power requirements, and system hold time. Via SNMP, the LLDP information can be queried to get more information on the neighboring endpoints. It should be noted that on the Flex 2410G and Clear 2410G, that both devices have LLDP enabled by default. But in case we need to re-enable it, we would first use the configure terminal command on the CLI to enter global configuration mode. Next, we will use the interface Gigabit Ethernet 1/1-24 to access the range of downlink ports on our switch. After accessing this interface, the next commands to use will be LLDP transmit, which will allow for us to transmit LLDP packets, and LLDP receive, which allows us to receive LLDP packets from other devices. We can also enable LLDP via the GUI by going into the admin page, within the Services tab, and checking off the LLDP checkbox within the Services panel. It should be noted that enabling LLDP as a service within the GUI will enable LLDP across all of the downlink ports on the switch. Since we have enabled LLDP on our downlink ports, if we would like to enable LLDP on our uplink ports, we can simply exit from the previous interface and access the interface for our uplink ports through the command interface 10 gigabit Ethernet 1/1-2. We will then only use the LLDP transmit command. This way, any unprotected connection on a downlink port will not get information from the rest of the network, but the rest of the network will still get information on the endpoints connected via the downlink ports. Afterwards, we can use the end command. Now that we have LLDP enabled, we can view the details on what is connected to our switch on either a port-by-port basis or on all downlink ports through the command show LLDP neighbors. This will allow us to receive information on the end devices connected to our switch. Afterwards, we'll use the copy running-config startup-config to save our configuration on startup. Thank you for watching the NVT Phybridge LLDP tutorial video. All configurations can be found within our administrative guides available on our website at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been an informative look at LLDP and its uses within your network, and we hope you have a wonderful day.